Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be my IPSY and IPSY Glam Bag Plus unboxing or unbagging, if you will, for August. So I have not peeked at all in this box behind me, and I'm excited because I want it to be like a blind react kind of thing. We're gonna hang out, unbox together. I'm hoping to do IPSY monthly as well as BOXYCHARM unboxings over here on this channel. If you guys like these videos, give this one a thumbs up and let's get into this month's unboxing. So I have my cute little cloud box cutter from Amazon. We're going to slice this open and see what's in here. I'm not digging my makeup today. I tried the reverse eyeliner or like the under eye eyeliner trend that's going around and I'm not liking it for me, so just bear with me. I'm feeling very moody, but I don't hate it, but like it didn't turn out how it turns out on other people. So we're gonna keep doing it this way. We're gonna start with the regular Glam Bag and then we'll move on to the Glam Bag Plus. I have both to share with you guys. This Glam Bag is actually one of the cuter ones that I've seen so far with my IPSY journey. This is like a little bit shiny, a little bit crocodile skin-esque, very cute. It's got like lime green on the inside. It's more of a clutch than like the typical zipper bags that we get. So with the regular Glam Bag, it's usually like deluxe samples. Sometimes full-size items are in here. So first up, we have a daily facial cleanser from Verso, and this looks like kind of a deluxe sample, not a full size, but not a mini either. It says it's a gentle facial cleanser. So this is a good travel size. I've actually never heard of Verso. I've heard of Versed at Target, but Verso is new to me. Next, we have Florence by Mills Tint and Tame Brow Gel. This looks like a full size and it's in the shade Clear. So we have a clear brow gel. I cannot go wrong with a clear brow gel. That's the #1 product I use on my brows because they're natural and thick. Oh, I unscrewed it the wrong way. This has a tiny, tiny wand, and I love that for brows. I don't know why, but like I love just a miniature little wand. You could really get in there with the brow gel. So that's really cool. A full-size item I will definitely get my use out of. So next up is a True Mini. This is the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask. It is 5 ml. So little tiny sample here, but I have the full size of this. I like it. I probably will keep this to like pop into giveaways and stuff. This is very interesting. I think this is a deluxe sample. It's called Dragon's Blood Sculpting Gel from Rodial. I have not heard of this brand, but sculpting gel sounds like it would be like a hair product, but this is not a hair product. It says it helps define facial contours and add volume to sagging skin. Apply to cleansed face and neck twice daily. Very interesting. I would like to see if the claim of like sculpting your face really works out. I don't think I have sagging skin, but I definitely have like the need for like a little more sculpt, if you know what I mean. So cool, very different product. Again, I haven't heard of the brand, but I like discovering new brands in subscription boxes. Ooh, I'm excited for this. This is Milk Makeup Lip and Cheek Stick. It's like one of their stick makeup products in the shade Work. And I like Milk Makeup, but the stick form products I let go bad because there's so much in there that I never really go through one. So they kind of dry up and shrivel up in your collection. I know that sounds horrible, but I don't need the full size is what I'm saying. So this tiny like deluxe sample is actually a better size for me when it comes to like a stick blush from Milk. And actually, there's a decent amount in here, so I am not mad at this at all. This is probably my favorite product out of this. So let's see about the color. I love a cream blush and I love that color. So very happy with the IPSY Glam Bag. Now we can talk about the Glam Bag Plus, which is more like BOXYCHARM, $25 a month. I think the Glam Bag is $12. So let's get into Glam Bag Plus. So here's the actual drawstring bag for Glam Bag Plus this month. It has the same like crocodile jungle theme. I actually really like this. I like both of them and I love saving these. I said this in my last IPSY unboxing, but I do giveaways a lot and I put the giveaway prizes or prizes that I'm shipping or presents and stuff like that for friends and family into these bags, so I do like to hoard them. So our first full-size product is skincare, and this is from Murad. Hydration is the first word I see, which my skin desperately always needs. So this is Sensitive Skin Soothing Serum. So this serum says use AM and PM, massage evenly over clean face, neck, and chest. I need to to like preemptively get on my hydration skincare routine before fall and winter come around. So this is going to be worked into my routine. I wish I knew more about the ingredients, but if you can use the AM and PM, it's probably a pretty safe serum. So next up in the Glam Bag Plus, we have the Lights Camera Lashes Mascara from Tarte, and this is full size in the shade Black. I actually have a full size of this that I haven't opened yet, so this will be popped into a giveaway, but I really like that that's in there. Now, my least favorite item to get in a subscription box is typically a pencil liner because I don't use it very often. I'm saying that on the one day that I've used pencil liner like on my lower lash line to create this look, but I really don't use it that often. So I think that's what this next product is. It says it is Araceli is the brand, and it's a perfect gel pencil eyeliner duo with sharpener. So I'm gonna pop it open, but I really don't need any more pencil liners, like at all. Oh, okay, you know what? I'm not mad at this because it's not black. If it was black, I really don't need it. I really, really don't, but it's not. So let me like bite my tongue here. This is bronze and olive. So never mind. I retract what I just said. Bronze and olive I'm definitely more interested in, and you kind of can't go wrong with having sharpeners in your collection, whether it be for eyeliner or lip liner. So let me just swatch these. So these went on really creamy. They're a little bit metallic, I think, like just a tiny, tiny bit like satiny metallic. I'm liking the tones for fall. I'm eating my words. I don't mind a colored liner. I still don't use it a lot in my routine, but they are something that I feel more comfortable wearing than black liner. So next up we have a face palette and an eyeshadow brush. I thought it was an eyeshadow palette because of the eyeshadow brush. The brush is from Farrah. It's called the Blender Brush 25E. I've never heard of Farrah. I will probably pop this into a giveaway once again. I don't need more brushes, but I'm interested in this face palette. It's called the Posh Powder Palette from Douce, I think is the brand. I can't not see or envision the word douche when I see this brand, so just putting that out there. So here it is. It is a blush and highlighter. We're gonna go ahead and do some finger swatches of these highlights. We get a lot of pigment, and here are the blushes. They look actually very pretty and satiny, so I like this palette. I hate the name of the brand though. So in this month's unboxing for IPSY, I definitely think that the Murad serum was my favorite out of the IPSY Glam Bag Plus, but overall I think I like the value of the Glam Bag better this month because the full-size eyebrow product from Florence, the clear brow gel, and the mini milk makeup blush are products I could see myself using very often, and I like the products in the Glam Bag Plus, but I have some of them already, so it's a little underwhelming. But this, I think, is a really great deal this month, so you guys definitely have to let me know if you are IPSY subscribers what you got in your boxes this month. I do get my boxes as a creator in PR, so I don't have a choice in the products, which I do think is a little more fun to like kind of blindly receive something and react to it. But of course, if you're paying for the box, you should utilize your decisions and be able to make, what am I trying to say? You should utilize your choices and be able to get products that you know you're gonna like. But overall, I'm very happy with the value of both of these. I do always try to draw comparisons in my mind when it comes to the Glam Bag Plus and BOXYCHARM. So I'm looking forward to my BOXYCHARM this month. I don't know what I'm getting yet. I think I'm getting the base box and the BOXYCHARM Premium to unbox for you guys. So I will have to see how it compares to IPSY. So stay tuned for that if you guys are interested in that unboxing. It should be coming very soon. But that is really all that I have to say for today's IPSY unboxing. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. A couple random updates are that this makeup totally didn't work out for me. Let me know your opinion on the under eye winged liner trend. Does it look good on you? Does it close your eyes off? I feel like it closes my eyes off. I don't know. I'm not here for it. But also I tried to fix the hair dye debacle on my head because I dyed my hair black, as you guys might know, and then I regretted it and I want my hair to be back to its natural color, but we had like some horrible overgrowth or regrowth and it looked so harsh, so I dyed it dark brown again. And it still has a line, but it's not as harsh. But we are struggling to get back to the natural color. I don't want to strip my hair, so we are just on this repetitive dyeing journey until everything fades out of my hair naturally, which is gonna take forever. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I want to update you guys on before I am gone for another couple days off of YouTube. I don't know, I'm trying to like connect with nature in August before fall comes around, like going on walks and stuff while it's still warm outside. I'm on a little bit of a get my health back on track journey, so there's that. Other than that, I'm just glad to have a little bit more time to film, and hopefully I will be able to do that even more often as we get into fall. I'm very excited. Actually, this is a big update. If you guys are watching till the end of the video, thank you. I am going to be starting Amazon live streams, so we're going to talk about like bomb ass Amazon products. It doesn't have to just be makeup and beauty. It can be like workout gear or home decor, literally everything, like all my Amazon favorites we're going to talk about. So if you want to follow me ahead of time before I start doing live streams, I'll leave my storefront down below. I have a couple idea lists over there, so like all my social media equipment is on one of them. All of like the beauty room hacks and stuff that I have in here is in another list, and some makeup and skincare lists over there. But it's just going to be another way to hang out with you guys. It's another opportunity, so I'm really, really grateful for Amazon and for you guys following me. So thank you in advance if you want to hang out with me over on Amazon. But that's pretty much my biggest and only relevant update for you guys right now. I hope to vlog a little bit more as well, but I'm getting on and rambling now, so I will leave you guys with that. Thank you guys so much for all of your support, and hopefully I will see you very, very soon in my next video. Bye guys.